if you look at any tie-dye in front of you, you can normally work out how it was made. The marks are a map of how it was put together. Let's see how we made this pattern. We've already discussed round shapes and how they start, and this one will start the same way. You choose the center of your circle and you pull the fabric up in the usual way. Smooth down your folds and grab an elastic band. This time we're going to open the elastic band up instead of piling it up all in one place. Again, it needs to be very tight to give us a nice clear white shape. Let's see how it looks. So in order to make a pattern like this on the cloth, you would just make lots of these very, very close together all over the fabric. Now this is also the basis for a floral shape. If you want to create a flower, you can make the center smaller and get a very beautiful floral shape. Let's see how we do that. You would simply take another elastic band and close up the shape.